is just freshly out the box. This is Envious, and this colour is Royal Emerald. And you just look at that there, you know, that is just absolutely stunning. You know, it comes with this texture, so this texture is just, you know, absolutely great. Carefree texture, but very, very feminine and very pretty. And this colour is just, you know, literally to die for. And I mean, I've had a lot of clients that have gravitated to these wigs to try these colours as opposed to do it to their own hair, you know, and wear them for the weekend. What would we do if we wanted to do a couple of things a little bit differently with our Envious wig? Get hold of my René of Paris brush. These are very rare in my household. My daughter likes to steal these, my wife likes to steal them. They're such a good brush to have in the kit bag. So you can see what I'm just doing here. Okay, so I'm just brushing this through. Really nice, just quite gentle. Can you see that kind of wave we're getting? So we're already getting a different kind of feel and a different kind of look. Nice and gentle, nice and gentle. And you see we kind of get a slightly different look running through just by giving it a brush. We get a much smoother, or elegant, classy look. I'm going to make this quite simple. Now guys, I'm just going to take a section of hair here. I'm going to put fishtail braid in here. I take 2 pieces of hair and I take a smaller piece from the inside and a smaller piece from this side. And again, smaller piece, and you're just weaving that right the way in. So, in from this way, in from this way, in from this way, in from this way, and you can see that starting to come together. Now, this wig is lace fronted, so, but even with putting a couple of little braids on the front, you are not going to move away, you know, it looking very, very natural. It's not going to feel scooped back. It's not going to make you feel all face. You know, it can still remain really soft. And you can keep it quite tight and then fan them out if you need to. So these are little, just tiny little bands. And there we have it. So just with my fingers, just going to open this up just a little bit to give it just that little bit more kind of softness, if you like. You see how that starts to open up? So just with the fingers, just pick that out just a little bit. Don't forget to you know, watch our YouTube videos, subscribe to our YouTube. You know, you'll see a lot more kind of different things we've got, and it's not just myself on there. We've got the fabulous Daniela, the wig fairy from Texas, and she's showing lots of different variations of styling wigs and wig tips and various things. So can you see that now coming together? Just by opening that up, just starts looking really, really gorgeous. I'm going to put another one in there now, and I'm not working with 2 huge sections here, guys. Okay, I'm just using the René of Paris brush, and I'm just coming in and just picking up kind of what I think is about right. I've got some sectioning clips here, so I'll just take a sectioning clip. These are just standard long clips, and just pop that into the hair. Now if you find that the hair starts running away with you slightly, one of my favourite hairsprays is the non-aerosol fibre hold hairspray from Bosley. Now this is great, very, very light. It's a very, very light spray, so it doesn't leave a film on the hair. You know, you can brush it out, you don't get any kind of bitty kind of piecey kind of areas. You know, it's great to have in the session bag, it's great to have in your makeup bag, or you know, if you're going to the gym, have it in the gym bag, and you know, and just be able to quickly just put that through, and really safe with wigs. So this is one that I would really recommend. Okay, so we're going to do another fishtail braid here now, outside in. So you could even leave these pieces out like this, which would look, you know, really soft and really gorgeous. Pop a little band in there again. So there's the first one, and there's the second one. Just going to open it up a little bit more gently from the front. Okay, so it gives you still a bit of kind of definition and texture at the front. Move that in. See what I'm just doing there, look. I'm going to come in again with the non-aerosol hairspray from Bosley Professional. So the Bosley Professional products are just fantastic. You know, they are hair and scalp products, but the styling range is just, it's fantastic. As a stylist, I love to work with Bosley Professional. So I'm just giving that little bit of texture, and I'm just going to come in, just opening a grip, and I'm just gripping this back just really gently, so we still see some of this hair through here, look. Still see some of this hair through here, and opening that up a little bit more, and then the same, just another grip, and just take that very loosely again, and there we have it, look. She's got the fishtail braids in there, she looks great, you know, it works a little bit like a headband. Let's add to that look a little bit more, some little twists in here, little twists, little twists. Again, just using these bands, guys, which are very, very easy to use. Same kind of thing. Little twists in there, little twists, look. Taking this fishtail braid here, incorporate that with this little twist, and then pop it underneath here, look. So we're just taking the hair off to one side that bit more. Again, just a little bobby pin. Just to talk you through what we did. So here she is. We put a gorgeous little fishtail braid in there. Little fishtail braid in there. Then we opened up these fishtails. Okay, to give you that nice little look. Put a couple of little twists in there. And then took this across to one side a little bit. So it's just very, very wearable. And a little fun style to wear if you're going to the gym or going out for the day, or you just fancy something a little bit different. Nice way to put those braids in. Taking these braids out, see, just nicely, softly opening those up. Really not a bother at all, it just comes out the hair. I mean, look at that side, how gorgeous that looks. So just with the René Paris brush, just gently taking that out, very, very gently there. So you're working from the ends of the hair up to the middle ends. I'm going to be using the volumizing and thickening styling gel from Bosley Professional Hair and Scalp, which is here. And so I've got this out of shot a little bit now, but I'm just literally taking some gel in my hands. Okay, what I'm just going to do is just take some hair and just run my fingers down there, and this will just give you a little bit more of a, yeah, slightly edgier kind of look. Just with that look, over we go. So we see we start getting that more piecey finish with working with the gel. Just going to take a little bit more gel in there. My fingers through. And put the gel in. And then just twist that hair with your finger. Right the way through. Give it a little bit more of a rock and roll-y kind of edge, but still dressing that curl up a little bit, you know, into a slightly different, more of a piecey kind of style. See on the catwalk that wet looks are quite coming back. You know, you've seen a lot of the, like the catwalk and the red carpet and stuff. You know, these kind of textury looks are really kind of be big. And you know, we don't need to, if we've got a wig or a hairstyle that's already got this kind of texture in, we just need to use a little bit of product to dress that up. And you could just literally, guys, you could rinse this gel out. It's all water soluble stuff, so you know, you're not going to get any kind of nasty areas of build-up or product build-up or anything like that. It's just, we're just putting that through. See how we start getting that finish. Now I'm just going to come back in with my non-aerosol hairspray from Bosley Professional. Just pop that in pop that in like so. You know, I'd suggest doing any styling on, you know, on a mannequin head. We've got plenty of those at René Paris. It's more of a kind of a beachy kind of finish. I'm just going to take this back behind one ear. So what I do here, look, I just take that hair, the large bobby pins. I'm going to take that pin, put it into the back of the hair. Again, take that pin, open it up, cross a couple over. So you've got that really kind of cool, piecey look through there. Taking it behind one ear. You know, move that over just a little bit more. Now if this was on yourself, you could actually just take it over the ear a little bit. And if you wanted to go one step further, you could even take a couple of areas just back and off the face here, like so. But I like that down, just off to the side, just a little bit. Looks quite dressed up, you know. And who said that we can't? We've got limitations with short hair. You know, we could do absolutely loads, but you know, this certainly is from Orchid, one of my favourite pieces. I absolutely love this. This is Envious in emerald green. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, look at our Facebook, look at our amazing website, René of Paris. I'm Alexander Turnbull. You've been watching Styling Tips on Orchid, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.